Hi there guys, and welcome to the watch channel. First of all, introduce you to my office. So I'm not doing this video from home today, it is from my office in the city. So I hope you like the change of environment. As they say, it's as good as a holiday. Anyway, I just wanted to do a very short video talking about this, which is the Pagani Design GMT Batman. Now, when I did my initial review, I did forget to mention a couple of things, so my apologies. I am an amateur vlogger with an interest in watches, so there will be mistakes in my videos, so I apologise for that, but it is what it is. So hopefully you guys like Gonzo content. But in saying that, like I say, the purpose of the video was just to talk about this. Some people have mentioned that there's been a bit of a challenge with the rotor noise, and I want to address that. There is absolutely no rotor noise on this watch. Yes, if you hold it up like that, you can hear the rotor moving, but apart from that, you know, you're not hearing any noise whatsoever. Truth be told, I've rarely taken this watch off since I last did that video, so about a week and a half. I love it. I think it's fantastic. Timing on it, I haven't had to adjust the time at all. The power reserve, well, put it this way, I've taken it off to wear other watches during the day and overnight, so probably 18 hours, something like that. The power reserve is still going. I've got no reason to think that 40 odd hours is not acceptable with this. And like I say, I haven't had to adjust the time on it at all. So I think it's keeping very, very good time. I don't know the exact, but it's still within a minute of, you know, of time on other watches and on the phone, which is more accurate than any watch we've got. So that's the first thing. The second thing is the Lume on this. Now, people have complained about the Lume. Yeah, you know what? It's not like an Omega, it's not like a Seiko, and it's not like a Rolex. It does glow blue, and it is quite bright for a period of time, but it does lose that extreme luminosity quite quickly. But in saying that, during the night when I wake up, I can still tell what time it is based on the you know what, guys, can you hear that rain? Unbelievable. Like, just anyway, stop raining. Yeah, the Lume on it is not fantastic, but I can still read the time in the middle of the night. So if that's good enough for you, then, you know, don't be put off by the fact this watch has poor Lume. It's not poor, it's just not super strong. So I hope that makes sense. Yeah, so guys, I hope that was of use. If you do have any questions about this watch, or you're interested in buying it, then please, you know, do ask me questions. I will respond as soon as I can and give you my honest feedback. Thank you very much for watching the video. I wish you all the best. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in another video very shortly. Cheers, guys.